Okay, so this is it. This really is going to be the last video on this pin. I'm fed up with this pin. It's really delayed me in getting this motor sorted out. However, there were a couple of questions. Grandad is an old man, asked if there was anything to do with the end of the gear that would stop the pin coming out. Now I can't say that I can see anything that would be stopping it. There doesn't seem to be any sort of ridge or grip on the slot which would cause the pin not to come out. There's also nothing on the pin. There's no grooves or ridges or anything that I can see. Now another suggestion made by Waiwatt, hope I've got that right, is that the pin is wedge shaped or tapered. So I'm just going to check it with this set of digital calipers here. About 2.36. And that's reading about 2.35. Now I have to admit I have measured this several times and got varying different results, anything up to 1/10 of a millimetre difference, but there doesn't seem to be anything consistent about it, so I think they're just measuring errors. The pin does seem to be essentially the same size on both sides. Okay, well that's it for now. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.